Welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk.Blair and I'm going to show you a quick video on this 2020 279 RLDS Freedom Express by Coachmen. Right off the bat, it has a really nice power tongue jack system here on the front. It's got your controls here, which are really rad. Dual propane tanks. Nice front cap on the front of this. Cool little accent lights. This also has a window up front here in the bedroom, makes it feel nice and spacious. As we make our way down the side of the unit, it's got nice fiberglass side you can see. It's going to have a nice large awning on the unit. We have frameless windows, big storage bay across the front, magnetic catches to hold the doors up. And as you kind of come down the side, you can see there's a little storage area, there's outdoor speakers, a porch light. There's a little wider stance axles on these guys, so it's a little more stable down the road. Solid step. People love these steps. They're really nice. They go into the door for storage, come out, a lot more sturdy. Rear ladder for climbing up. It is a rear lounge type model. Let's go ahead and jump inside and look around. As you make your way into the rig, you can see back here in the back, big windows, reclining chairs, nice and comfortable, theater type seating, big large booth dinette for the family to sit around. Storage, extra storage, decent kitchen area here with more storage, solid surface countertops, large refrigerator, and your TV in the corner here so you can have it in good visual view of your seating. With a little fireplace, DVD player, all that already in this radio and entertainment center. As you make your way up here, it's got nice light. But you can see this bathroom really boasts a really nice bathroom with extra storage, like walk-in type shower. Some storage countertops there, and your bathroom. And as you come into the bedroom is nice and spacious as well. It's well lit. It's pretty large in here. It feels really large due to the nice windows and the color of this unit. They actually put nice cabinets all the way around, good storage. They also put a fantastic fan up here in the ceiling. And this front windshield here, a lot of people really love some of that natural light in right there. Well, let's kind of come towards the back again. So it's got a nice living area, it's comfortable. This unit in here at Guaranty, I'm happy to help you. My name is Captain Kirk, Kirk.Blair. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Please ask for me or give me a call personally direct, and I'm happy to help you either way I can. Thank you much from everybody here at Guaranty.